Hello everyone, welcome to Simsad Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. Are you struggling with stubborn tan lines? Today, I will tell you 6 proven home remedies will fade them fast and give you back your natural radiance. So watch complete video to get best advice, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Section 1. Understanding skin tanning. A suntan is your skin's visible defense mechanism against ultraviolet, UV, radiation. When exposed to UV rays, specialized cells called melanocytes produce more melanin pigment to protect deeper skin layers. This results in darker, often uneven, skin tone. Prolonged or uneven tanning accelerates premature aging, causes hyperpigmentation, and increases long-term skin damage risks. Now I will tell you the research-backed home remedies to help fade tan, promote skin repair, and restore a natural glow using common kitchen ingredients. These methods are cost-effective, gentle, and free from harsh chemicals when used correctly and consistently. Section 2. Home remedies with proper usage routine. Number 1. Aloe vera, the soothing healer. Aloe vera is a powerhouse plant renowned for its profound skin healing properties. Its clear gel is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes like aloin and allicin, which have been studied for their depigmenting effects. Allicin inhibits tyrosinase, the enzyme crucial for melanin production. The best method is to use fresh gel scooped directly from an aloe vera leaf. First, cleanse your face thoroughly, then apply a generous, thick layer of the pure gel directly onto the tanned skin. Allow this to sit and absorb for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it off completely with cool water. For treating tan on larger body areas, you can enhance the brightening effect by mixing the fresh aloe gel with a small pinch of turmeric powder before application. For optimal results, a daily application of aloe vera is not only safe but highly recommended for consistent and progressive benefits. Its gentle nature allows for frequent use without the risk of irritation for most skin types. Beyond tan removal, it calms sunburn, reduces redness, and provides intense moisture without clogging pores. Number 2. Lemon juice and honey, the natural bleaching duo. This combination leverages the natural acids in lemon with the moisturizing and antibacterial properties of honey. Lemon juice is a natural source of alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, citric acid. This acts as a gentle chemical exfoliant, breaking down the bonds between dead, tan skin cells and promoting their shedding. Honey is a humectant, drawing moisture into the skin and preventing the lemon from causing excessive dryness. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of raw, organic honey. Apply evenly on tanned areas. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. But keep in mind to always use sunscreen the next day, as lemon juice can cause photosensitivity. Avoid if you have active breakouts or cuts, as the acid may cause stinging. Follow this remedy 2 to 3 times a week. Evens out skin tone, provides a mild brightening effect, and leaves skin soft. Number 3. Tomato and gram flour, the gentle exfoliating pack. Tomato acts as a natural astringent and toner, while gram flour provides gentle physical exfoliation. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that protects the skin and may help reverse UV damage. Their natural acidity helps lighten tan. Gram flour absorbs excess oil and dirt, gently scrubbing away dead skin cells. Mash half a ripe tomato and mix with 1 tablespoon of gram flour to create a grainy paste. Apply and allow it to sit for 15 minutes. As it dries, it will tighten. Wedge your fingers and scrub very gently for a minute before rinsing off. Use it once or twice a week. It is excellent for oily and combination skin, helps clear pores, and removes tan effectively. Number 4. Potato juice, the underrated spot corrector. Potato juice is a mild, gentle remedy, particularly effective for darker tan patches and under-eye areas. Potatoes contain catecholase, an enzyme that may have a mild lightening effect. They are also rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that fights free radical damage from sun exposure. Grate a chilled potato, squeeze out the juice through a muslin cloth, and apply the juice directly to the skin with a cotton ball. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse. Alternatively, rub a thin slice of potato directly on tanned areas. It can be used daily. This remedy is extremely gentle, soothing, and safe for sensitive skin. Great for targeting elbow and knee tan. Number 5. Oatmeal and buttermilk, the soothing scrub for sensitive skin. This remedy offers a dual action: gentle exfoliation with oatmeal and skin lightening with the lactic acid in buttermilk. Oatmeal, colloidal oatmeal, is a known skin protectant with anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes irritated, sun-exposed skin. Buttermilk, like yogurt, contains lactic acid that helps fade tan gently. Mix 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal with enough buttermilk to form a thick paste. Apply, let it sit for 10 minutes, then massage in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. Follow this 2 to 3 times a week. Perfect for sensitive, sunburned, or inflamed skin. Exfoliates without causing micro tears. Number 6. Saffron and milk, the luxurious skin illuminator. Saffron, known as red gold, is prized for its skin brightening and anti-inflammatory properties, while milk provides lactic acid and moisture. Soak 4 to 5 strands of saffron in 2 tablespoons of raw milk or fuller's earth, Multani Mitti, for 30 minutes until the milk turns yellow. Apply this infusion to your face and neck. Leave on for 20 minutes and rinse. Follow this once a week. It imparts a natural glow, brightens complexion, and is excellent for treating dull, tired-looking skin. Section 3. The non-negotiables, prevention and complementary practices. No tan removal regimen is complete without these pillars. Number 1. Sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every single day, 20 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours if outdoors. This is the most critical step to prevent new tan and protect healing skin. Number 2. Physical protection. Wear wide-brimmed hats, sunglasses, and protective clothing when in direct sunlight for prolonged periods. Number 3. Hydration and diet. Drink ample water to flush out toxins and keep skin hydrated. Consume a diet rich in vitamin C, citrus fruits, bell peppers, vitamin E nuts, seeds, and antioxidants, berries, green tea, to support skin health from within. Removing a tan and restoring your skin's natural glow is a journey of consistent care and protection. These 6 home remedies offer a holistic, gentle, and effective approach rooted in natural ingredients. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.